Good morning everyone, my name is Christine, and to all of you that is watching this video, I hope you have a nice day and stay safe. Welcome to Jewel Changi Airport. Before you get in, you have to tap your token. There is a safe entry wherever you go, every establishment, every store that you go, you have to tap the token that that I have just now. And right now we are on the way to the main airport where we are going to stroll around, and we will see whether we can get a ticket to their canopy. And there you have it. We got our ticket at the Canopy Park. It was we paid for it for $4.50, and as you can see here, there's monkeys. I don't know if it's monkey or orangutan, that where you can take pictures with your friends, do selfies. And they have birds as well. I don't know what kind of bird this is, but it's really cute. And as you can see here, while walking into this path, you can see another set of birds. These called lovebirds, and the color is very nice. Yeah, this place is really awesome. They bring the nature inside the establishment. As you can see here, the airport, the Jewel Airport, looks like a forest. A lot of different kinds of plants. Oh, that's a peacock. And then they also have trees inside. So right now we are walking in here, going to this main part of the Jewel Airport where everybody wants to go and stay. Just look at the water falling from the roof. It's really nice. As you can see, the trees and everywhere, and you also can see the train trail. Look at that. Anyway, behind these trees you will see and you will find a lot of different stores, branded stores, and there's really a lot. You cannot count actually. I went here with my friends, two of my friends, and they also have this net where they hang, and so the kids can play around, jump around, run around, climb, and we have been walking around and got tired, so we decided to sit. And as you can see, we found this giant lollipop here at the departure area. Uh, this is different building, and it's a departure area where you can see these lollipops here.
Pauwi na ang mga babaita.
And right now we are on the way back home, so we are walking out of this airport
Tulok man ka mo di?
with the same people that
Na
I've
picture.
been with a few times already. Yeah, so we are looking our way out, and yeah, that's all for the day. Actually, the airport is not so crowded. Ever since the pandemic started, it wasn't that crowded anymore. But it's really good to go to the airport for like attractions, like especially the Jewel, which is very
So
nice.
guys,
The
that's all for
fountain is
today,
very
and I
nice.
hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell to get updated for my next video, and see you guys next time. Bye.